To replace a rear rack stop in this KitchenAid dishwasher, you will need a small flathead screwdriver. Pull out the upper dish rack or the third level rack, then open the front rack stops and fully remove the rack. You can now use the small flathead screwdriver to depress the retaining tab so you can lift the old rear rack stop off the rail. To install the new rack stop, insert the retaining tab through the holes in the rail and snap it into place. Realign the upper dish rack rollers or third level rack rollers on the rails. Slide the rack in and close the front rack stops.